Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the Entrepreneurship Conclave. It's a proud moment for Indiapreneurship to be hosting this conclave today along with our partners TIE and FMS. The world around us is changing at a phenomenal pace. New exciting ventures, million-dollar valuations, and increased risk-taking capabilities are making this world a more exciting place to live in. With this change, the role of the entrepreneur is becoming more and more significant in the new age economy. Most developed economies have grown on the foundation of the small and mighty entrepreneur. And India too will need her share of entrepreneurs. 50 million jobs are needed in the next 5 years. And this can be only generated through new ventures. So it's with this thought that we created Indiapreneurship. Indiapreneurship, we work with business schools across the world to get the best entrepreneurial talent to India, to set up ventures here. We organize India Treks that give opportunity to international students to experience the amazing India story. For the young entrepreneurs in India, we partner with business schools in the country to create platforms for ideas exchange between Indians and their foreign counterparts through our buddy programs. It's encouraging to see the response that we've been getting in the last couple of months. I was in the US and I visited Harvard Business School. I had an opportunity to meet with the dean and a couple of other faculty members and talk about this whole platform that we've put together for Indiapreneurship and about bringing talent back to India. And it's very heartening to know that everybody wants to connect with India today. And I received a similar response when I visited Columbia, MIT, Babson, and a couple of other universities, where they all want to know what's happening in India and how they can connect with India. So what's happening is that the reversal of role is clearly visible. 30 years back, our parents' generation would have loved to flock to the countries of the West, as that was the land of opportunities. But today, clearly, the East is the new West. Friends, I firmly believe that we are a lucky generation. We're in India, we're part of the workforce at a time when India is arguably at its best. The opportunities are booming, the policies are supportive, talent is available, and the market especially is growing at a phenomenal rate. Now it's up to us to make the best of these opportunities. You'll agree with me when I say that we have a problem of plenty. Yeah, plenty of choices and plenty of opportunities. The theme Fueling India as a Startup Nation was created keeping this very lovely problem in mind. How do we find out about the right opportunities? How do we know what's best for us? How do we get started in the startup mode? How do we get on with the startup in the venture mode? How do we get help along the way? And who are the people who can help us? This conclave is an attempt to answer some of these questions. We have a very interesting, power-packed agenda for the day with great speakers who are committed to make each one of you an Indiapreneur. In the morning, we have Mr. Pradeep Gupta, Chairman, Cybermedia, as the keynote speaker. He's going to be followed by Mr. Rohit Pandey, who will be sharing his insights on how to scan the market for business opportunities. Post that, just before lunch, we have Mr. Rakshat Rathi, who will be doing a workshop on the fundamentals of a business plan, and he's also going to be sharing some business plan templates with us and how to use them effectively. Post lunch will be an interactive session with 5 young Indiapreneurs who will share their story with us. And finally, we'll wrap up the day by an inspiring session by one of India's leading think tanks, Dr. Rajiv Kumar from FICCI. So I encourage you all to enjoy this event and, most importantly, use this event as a networking opportunity. So if I can request all of you to at least make 5 new friends by the end of this day, we would have achieved a lot that we want to do out of this event. So please feel free to reach out to people you don't know in this through the day.